Hey, check this out. Bruno Mars is a really good performer, isn't he? I know, he is so cool. So, do you know which is his nationality? Wait a second. I'm not trying to be a grammar Nazi here, but why does your sentence sound a bit weird? Yeah, you are not trying to be a grammar Nazi, but you are anyway. That is because I care tahu. Ya udah biarin aja kalau gitu salah terus. No, wait, now I'm curious. What was wrong with my sentence? Kayaknya ada yang salah sama kata which deh. So which itu biasanya dipakai kalau kamu udah tahu ada beberapa options atau pilihan yang pasti. Kamu tahu nggak beberapa pilihan yang pasti nationality-nya dia apa? I don't know. Oke, kalau gitu artinya lebih cocok kalau kamu pakai what. So what is his nationality? Kalau misalnya kamu mau pakai which berarti I'm not sure if he was American or Asian. Which do you think his nationality was? Oh, okay. I think I get it. Misalnya, I know all of your shoes. So I can ask you, which shoes are you wearing tonight? Tapi kalau misalnya aku beneran nggak tahu, like I don't know your shoes collection, so I can say, what shoes are you wearing tonight? Kamu pakai sepatu apa nanti malam? Gitu ya? See, kamu jadi pinter gara-gara aku grammar Nazi kan? FYI, I was born smart.